Okay, so we had a bit of a mare last night. This is a Sony Dream Machine alarm clock, but it's now brain dead, as I'll demonstrate. What's up with it? You see it's functioning properly, and then it goes like that. It's brain dead, it won't do anything. Not playing no music, no nothing. Press and hold to adjust the time, nothing. It's dead, it's done for. Well, I'm going to try and fix it. So, making sure the thing's unplugged. It's got a bleed resistor on the power supply, so I'll let that discharge. But yeah, so let's see what went wrong. So at the minute, we're using this one. That's just to keep me going. If I can try and fix this thing, it'll be happy days. If I can't, I can't. So yeah, let's see what's up with it. So, ooh. Let's see if I can get some screwdrivers that are long enough to reach that. Let's have a go. Right, it's supposed to take a 3-volt lithium button cell. It goes in, you can see it very well, I don't know. It goes in that little crevice there. But unfortunately, something's gone wrong with the charging for it, and it won't charge or let the battery do anything. So that part's fucked. It's been like that for a few years, and if you listen carefully, something's shaking about in there which ain't good. So I took all the screws out. Let's take the thing to bits. See if I can do it right. God, screws everywhere. So see if I can do this one-handed. No. So off comes the little bezel at the front to reveal the LED display. So hopefully now it should come to bits. There we go. What's wrong with it then? Don't look too bad in here. Just shorting stuff out. So, got a little step down transformer there. The button is to change the time and that. The snooze button would be there. Is it there? Yep. The time up and down. Ooh, time up and down is there. Looks okay to me. Unless it's just brain dead. Let's plug it in and see what happens this time. Note to self, keeping very far away just in case it goes bang. It's working alright. And it goes brain dead. It's not supposed to do that. Right. Let's see. He says gingerly sorting stuff out. So all looks fine. Ribbon cable's alright, don't damage that. Unless it's just come to the end of its useful life. Yeah, that's still good. The only thing I'm a bit concerned about is that little crystal isolator there. We'll undo some more screws and we'll have a look. Can we give a quick look at the circuitry on there? Don't look like anything obvious is, well, you know, died. Except for it could be that chip there. Could be a suspect. All these capacitors. But they don't Doesn't look like they're bulged or anything. God knows. There's no damage on this circuit board. That chip there could be a thing at fault. But I do see some damage to these contacts over here. This bit here is quite damaged, but I don't know. It's weird. Weird. Unless it's just come to the end. I don't know. Let's try it one more time. Nah, something's definitely wrong with it. So, we'll see. I won't do that in real life. Plugged in. That'll go with a hell of a bang. But, yeah, God knows what's up with it. Looks fine. So, I don't know what's going on with it. It's just come to the end. Such a shame. I ain't really done anything to it. It's 5 years old. It should last longer than that, surely. But, unless it's just come to the end. I like that one though. But don't know what else to suggest. I ain't got anything to test it really. Who knows? Now, I'm going to plug it in one more time. When it goes brain dead, can't do nothing. Another thing. So, yeah, I put the cover back on, there you go. So, it's time to do a demolition video then. I can't fix it. So, I guess this is the end.